Hi, I'm Kimberly Obrick with First Team SNS, and with this offer I'm presenting, I've got Tam and Tammy. Tam's a little camera shy, so you're not going to see him, but his beautiful wife, she's adorable. Come here, Tammy. Say why you just love this home so much.
Hi, how you guys doing? My name is Tammy, and my husband is Tam, and we've been looking around, and we fortunately we met Kim, and she a great seller, I guess. And we've been looking around for a lot of houses, but we kind of like him, but not really.
Not as much as this one.
Yeah, not really.
Why is this one so perfect?
And then we found this one right by where my mom lives, and I've been
She's like 3 minutes
right
away.
Here. Yes, like 3 minutes away. And we live here around here like for 15 years. So I know this area very well.
This is home for them.
Yes.
They love the layout. They love all the way the pictures are. So.
And it's more than a dream house for me. And even in my dream, I can't even dream the house like this. It's beautiful, and I believe I try my best, and I keep my finger crossed for
bring in the new year in this new
yes,
home.
for all my family, and please, I want this house. I want to live here. I'm not gonna move anywhere. Just live here.
This is really their final home. They want this to be their final home. So thank you for your consideration. I look forward to seeing you in escrow.
Please, thank you. Bye.